Hello and welcome along to another NJR roofing and home maintenance video. We're going to take you through a afternoon's work on a semi-detached house in Southbourne in Bournemouth. We have taken all the old slate tiles off and we're busy re-roofing or recovering the roof in new composite tiles. We hope you enjoy the video and do bear us in mind for any roofing or home maintenance needs in and around the Dorset area. Bye bye.